Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the Sainik School entrance exam coaching. Here in this session, I am going to explain you what is the method to apply for AISSEE 2022 and the syllabus and the exam pattern along with a few sample question paper links. So basically all the details of prospectus, date of release of application and syllabus is given in this website link www.aissee.nta.nic.in. This is the main link for all the parents of the kids to apply for Sainik School entrance exam, both for the 6th standard as well as the 9th standard. The age limit and the syllabus in detail is explained in their website. This is the cover page of the information bulletin which can be downloaded from their website aissee.nta.nic.in. This is the first thing you should understand when you are applying or appearing for a competitive exam. It is called the scheme of the examination or the pattern of the exam. So this image captures the scheme of the examination for 6th standard. Section A, mathematics, will have 50 multiple choice questions, 3 marks each for correct answer. So total marks will be 150. Section B is intelligence questions, 25 questions, each of 2 marks. Total score or the marks will be 50. Section C will be language, which will also have 25 questions, each of 2 marks. So that comes to 50 again. The final section D will be GK, general knowledge. Number of questions will be again 25. Marks for each of the correct answer will be 2. So again 50 marks. So the total marks for each subject for mathematics is 150, intelligence is 50, language is 50, GK is 50. So totally 300. Now let us see the topics covered for class 6th mathematics subject. Okay, so there are 25 topics. You can go through them one by one and then understand these are the topics covered in the exam pattern. Now this is the slide for topics covered in class 6th language subject English. So you can go through these 25 topics, get a clear picture of how much you should be getting yourself clear with the topics. So now this is the next slide for GK, general knowledge, which covers both current affairs, general awareness and science, also social science. The topics are listed here. This is half of the slide, so I will be showing the next slide also. So these are the topics you are supposed to be prepared for. So this is the second part of the syllabus of AISSC subject GK. You can see very clearly that it covers some of the social science, biology, and all the other general awareness, not only GK but general awareness also. Now coming to the subject of my specialization, I'll read out the topics covered for the class 6th in intelligence section. Okay. Total number of questions are 25. Total marks maximum is 50 because each question have 2 marks. Basically, I'll read out the complete syllabus. So it says questions on intelligence will be based on analogies, which includes mathematical analogies and verbal analogies, pattern recognition, which comes under spatial or mathematical, also classification, or it can be also named as grouping, visual questions. Basically, visual questions are pictorial questions, and logical reasoning or logical and reasoning. So there are IQ is basically a multiple direction concept, but then as a overall we can say it's a pattern recognition. So today we'll look at some of the topics from IQ with the sample questions. This is the original previous year question paper of All India Sainik School entrance exam. The first page will contain some of the details and the instructions. Okay, earlier it was 250 marks and now basically they have increased it to 300 marks total. Let us take a few examples in IQ section. This question 101, it says which figure among the 4 alternatives A, B, C and D would replace the question mark in the figure X. The figure X is the bigger image wherein there are 4 quadrants. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant is missing. So we need to identify which of these A, B, C, D options can fit best to the main picture X. Can somebody try it for a few seconds? I'll give the answer. So in the X image, there is a circle in the center and there are concentric circles around it. So the center circle will get completed only if the leftover circle is in the chosen image. So the answer image should have the portion of that circle on the top left. So obviously option B has that circle portion. So that's the answer. Let us see another example here. So basically this image has the question number 102. I'll read out the question. Find out the figure which does not belong to the group of other figures. So there are 4 figures A, B, C, D. The first one, option A, has a fire in the center. Option B has 2 people walking. Option C has somebody slipping down. That's also caution image. Option D has a danger symbol. So obviously it is clearly seen that the caution images are in triangular sign, and most probably in red color. It is supposed to be in red color. And the information sign, two people walking, basically it can be a school or it can be a platform or somebody walking, is an information. Usually information signs are in blue color. So option B is the answer, and rest of them are caution images or signs. Let's see the next example. If you see the problem figure in the mirror, which figure out of the four figures A, B, C and D will be the mirror image of figure X? So X is on the left side, there is dot dot dot, that slashes mean mirror image. So the answer will be reflected image. So the right image will go to the left and left images will come to the right. So can you try? So we'll look at the quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 has a black dot. So obviously in the mirror image, the quadrant 1 content will go to quadrant 2. And the quadrant content 2 in X image has a small triangle. So that will go to the quadrant 1. So all quadrant 1 content will go to 2 and 2 will go to 1. So if the black dot goes to the second quadrant and the triangle comes to the left quadrant, first quadrant, option C will be the only choice available with that features. Okay, we can verify that with the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant also. So the third quadrant has a inverted triangle, fourth quadrant has a black dot. So in the inverted or reflected image, so the black dot will come to the third quadrant and the inverted triangle will go to the fourth quadrant. So in the option C, it is matching. So we are right. So answer option C is perfectly right. We'll see another pictorial question wherein we have this circles. This is basically called a Venn diagram based question. Okay, it will be very interesting. Let us see. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between travelers, train and bus? So each one of them, travelers is a circle, train is a circle, bus is a circle. So obviously a traveler can go both in train and bus. So the option C is the answer, because the center circle is the travelers and the left and right circles are train and bus. Whereas in the other options that is not possible. Okay. Let us take this example. Which figure among the four figures A, B, C and D would replace the question mark in figure X? It is similar to the first one. So here again the X image is the biggest one, bigger one with four quadrants, and the fourth quadrant is missing. So we need to identify what is missing in the fourth quadrant in the X image. So there are two small circles which are supposed to get completed, one on the top and one on the left side. So options A, B, C, D are available. In the first one, it very clearly gives the answer, because the circle which is supposed to complete the X image is available. A circle on the left side and another circle on the top side. Whereas in option B, it is on the other way, top and right side. In the option C, it is on the right side and bottom. And in option D, it is again left side and bottom. Now I suggest you to practice similar pictorial questions. These are all called non-verbal or pictorial reasoning questions.